Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be looking at how to automate your investments and earn passive income in 2025. Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true. Well, in 2025, automating your investments can make this a reality. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, setting up a hands-free investment system allows you to grow your wealth effortlessly. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your investments. Choose the right platforms and generate passive income without actively managing your money. And make sure to stick around till the end for a bonus tip that can potentially double your investment returns. The secret of the wealthy isn't just making money, it's making money work for them. Passive income is the key to financial freedom, and automation is the best way to achieve it. Instead of watching the markets daily or manually investing, automation allows you to set up a system once and let technology handle the rest. In 2025, AI, robo-advisors, and auto-investing platforms make it easier than ever to build wealth passively. By leveraging these tools, you can generate consistent income while focusing on what truly matters, whether it's traveling, spending time with family, or pursuing your passions. So, how can you get started? Let's break down the best ways to automate your investments and start earning passive income today. Your first step is choosing the right platform. With so many investment options available, selecting the best one for your financial goals is crucial. For stock market investing, robo-advisors like Wealthfront, Betterment, and Moon Finance automate your portfolio by using AI to allocate your money into diversified assets. These platforms rebalance your investments and reinvest dividends automatically. If you prefer micro-investing, apps like Acorns round up your daily purchases and invest the spare change, allowing you to build wealth effortlessly over time. Choosing the right platform means letting technology do the heavy lifting while your money grows in the background. One of the most effective ways to build long-term wealth is through stocks and ETFs. But instead of trying to time the market, a smarter approach is dollar-cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, whether the market is up or down. By doing this, you reduce risk and take advantage of market fluctuations over time. To automate this, set up a recurring investment plan on platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood. Simply choose the stocks or ETFs you want to invest in. Set up automatic contributions, and let the system handle the rest. With this method, your portfolio grows steadily, and compounding interest turns small investments into substantial wealth over the years. Cryptocurrency has revolutionized digital finance, and in 2025, automation makes it easier than ever to profit from it. Instead of manually trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, you can use AI-powered bots like PionX CryptoHopper or 3 Commas. These tools analyze market trends and execute trades automatically, maximizing profits while minimizing risk. For a truly hands-free approach, consider staking. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken allow you to stake your crypto assets, earning rewards just for holding them. This generates a steady stream of passive income without the need for active trading. If you're serious about growing your wealth in crypto, automation is the smartest strategy for consistent returns while reducing market stress. Real estate is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth, but buying and managing properties can be expensive and time-consuming. The solution? Automated real estate investing. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. These funds pool money from multiple investors to buy and manage income-generating properties, paying out dividends regularly. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul make it easy to invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. You contribute money, and the platform handles everything from property acquisition to management, allowing you to collect passive income without the stress of being a landlord. With real estate automation, you can earn rental income without lifting a finger. One of the most powerful and reliable ways to automate passive income is through dividend stocks. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Procter & Gamble pay dividends to shareholders just for holding their stocks. To maximize returns, use a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, which automatically reinvests your earnings back into more shares. This creates a compounding effect that accelerates your wealth over time. By selecting strong dividend-paying companies and reinvesting profits, you create an unstoppable income-generating machine that continues to grow year after year. Now that you know how to automate your investments, here's a bonus tip that can help you maximize your returns. Diversify your income streams. Instead of relying on just one investment type, split your portfolio into different assets: stocks, ETFs, crypto, real estate, and dividend stocks. This spreads risk and ensures steady growth, even if one market experiences a downturn. By automating a well-diversified portfolio, you set yourself up for financial security and long-term wealth creation. Now that you know how to automate your investments and earn passive income in 2025, which strategy will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more financial tips every week. Your support helps us create more valuable content to help you achieve financial freedom. See you in the next video.